Time for our weekly roundup again, Cloud 360 accounting, and again, plenty of stuff really that was kind of going on from the previous week, where we have another chunk of year-end stuff for companies, ranging from sort of late last year into again December kind of 21 periods, getting progressed and signed off and filed and tidied up and cleared and off our desk, and job done for another while for some of those clients. With one of the clients we worked with in particular, they had fairly chunky tax bill, and we've managed to save them over £4,000 by a good interrogation of some of their transactions and chatting through some of the ins and outs of their company. We've managed to achieve them additional bits of tax relief, so that's £4,000 more in their pocket as a result of the work we've done, so that was good. Other things we've been doing is we've now got our payroll specialist in place, so our new payroll service is going to be rolled out from the start of April. Next week is going to be our last week that the team who normally do it within the office is going to process it, and the payroll specialist is going to take over the processing from then on. Client-wise, that'll not change too much. Couple of wee snippets of extra process, but nothing major. And we're moving everyone off zero payroll at this point in time as well. So we think that's the right move, especially for some of the clients. There is certain bits of functionality that we think zero payroll is lacking. So that's going to improve the overall payroll service and reporting side of things as well. Other things that I've been doing, met a new client yesterday, sat down and had a strategy session with them to talk through various challenges they're having in their business, and then I've given them a service package which I think the business is going to need on an ongoing basis to keep on top of their figures on a regular basis and have regular catch-ups and conversations with ourselves to see how the business is doing, what more we can do to save them some money. I had 2 sessions as a member of the Early Adopters Hub, looking at a new bit of tech coming onto the market. Can't say too much about it at this stage, but interesting conversations with Will Farnell and Gareth Brown as well as part of the catch-up that we had this week, so that was interesting. That kind of rounds it up, I think. We are doing some of our own internal business development. We've got some plans which we'll be rolling out to improve and change our own business, so watch this space for that. Another interesting week, another busy week as always. It's funny, you be talking to some clients and other people, and they kind of think that you're now not so busy, or maybe you're getting busy because it's the end of the tax year. We're literally busy every week, I would say, because of the way we work with clients, which is brilliant. And the weather's good. It's a nice spring. It's not really warm just yet, but it's nice and sunny in the sky. So I'm getting back into some running training to get ready for a half marathon as well. That is it. Roundup done for another week at Cloud 360, and hopefully do the same again next week.